Hello children, myself Pranav from Jahan Patel English Medium School. Today we are going to start class 8 mathematics revision part 3 square and square roots. Already in our two videos we have learned about square and square roots. Now today we are going to learn how to take out the square root by division method. So the first one is find the square root of each of the following by division method. So here we are going to find the square root by division method, and the number given is 3481. First write the number here, 3481. As you can see, this is a number in which has thousands place, and before going to division here I would like to explain how to mark the numbers, because here we are not doing normal division or the regular division which we have done for the division process in your junior classes. The square root division has a specific method where we are going to take two numbers or one numbers depending upon the place value. So here I am going to mark the number from the right side, that is from ones place. Two numbers we should mark with a bar, and next tens, hundreds place and thousands place with a bar. Why I have marked this bar? Because whenever I am going to divide this number, I am going to take two numbers at a time. So here 34, but when you are going to divide you should start from the highest place value, that is thousands. So here we have 3400, but I am considering only 34. Now already we have learned the squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. But here the number which I have is 34. I cannot take 36. So I should take 5 5s are 25. Whatever number I am taking, I should prefer a square number here, because I am doing the square root division method. So whatever number you take here, same number should be written here, because it is a square. 5 is a 25. 34 minus 25 is 9. Because this will be 14, this will be 2. If you borrow 1, this is 14 minus 5 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now the same number you add here. This is 5 plus 5 becomes 10. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Now take down two more numbers, because we have marked the two numbers. As you can see here, we have 981. But here the number is 10, because 5 plus 5 is 10. So I am going to take a number. If you multiply that number to same number, that is, this becomes hundreds place now. 101 into 1 is equal to 101. 102 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 204. Like this you have to multiply and see which number, if you multiply to that is 10, in front of 10 you put any number and multiply same number to the given number, then you will get 981. According to me, here if you multiply 109 into 9, you will get what number you are going to take in ones place, same number should be multiplied. So 9 9s are 81, carry 8, 9 is 0, 8 9 1s are 9. Yes, so 109 9s are 981. So the remainder is 0. Now therefore square root of 3481 is 59. Yes, 59. Once again I would like to repeat here. First mark the number, that is from ones place to two numbers. Then start division for the first two numbers and check the square. 5 square is 25. So if you subtract 34 and 25 you will get 9. Take this 81 down, and here simultaneously you should add is 5 here. 5 is 10. So the number which you are taking in ones place, again you should multiply with the same number to get this, the 981, whatever the remainder is here. So 109 into 9 is 981. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Therefore the quotient itself is the square root of the given number, that is 3481. Now again let us move on to the next number, that is 1024. Here also same thing, the same procedure. You are marking 4 and 2, 0 and 1. This is 2 number and this also is 2 number. Now 10. You can check square of 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. But 16 I cannot take because 10 is less than 124. So 62 twos are 124. So I got 0 in the remainder. Therefore, square root of 1024 is 32. And you might get a question, if any remainder remains, what I should do? If any remainder remains, in this format you can clearly say that the given number is not a perfect square. Now let us move on to the next problem. Here also same, find the square root by decimal method. Why decimal method? Because the number given is in the decimal form. Before going to solve, I would like to explain a small point here. 351.736. This is the number where you have three digits before the point and three integral part, and the other three after decimal is decimal part. Now, how to mark this? Because in the square root division method, we are going to mark the number. Now, let us write this 351 as the integral part and the 736 as decimal part. You have to read this number as 736 because it is after the decimal part. And this 351 is in hundreds place, 351. How to mark now? From ones place, this is ones, tens and hundreds. From ones place, 2 number, and the leftover is only 1 number. So you have to mark with ones place, 2 number, and here we don't have any number, so only 1. Here you have to start from 10th place. This place is called 10th. This is 100. And this is 1000. Because this is divided by 10, this is divided by 100, this is divided by 1000. So I have to mark here 7 3. From here you start, that is 7 3 2 number, and the leftover is 1. So this is the decimal marking. How to mark the decimal value when you are going to find out the square root of a decimal. So here let me write 51.84. Here because there are only 2 digits, you start from here and you start from here, you will get only 2. Again same method, you should go for 51. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. But 64 is less than 51, so go for 7 sevens are 49. The remainder is this is 11, this is 4, 2. This point you have already here. Before taking this 84 down, put this point here. No need to put it down, put in the quotient. Now 84, same procedure, add 7 here, it will be 14. Now this becomes 10th place. Now one more place you should write here. This becomes 100th place, 1 4. And any number you take, you should multiply the same number. That is 141 into 1 is 141. We cannot take. 142 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. It will be 284. So 142 into 2, because the last digit should be same. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are. So here this is 0. Therefore, square root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2. 7.2. Only difference is here, wherever decimal point you have, soon after division you put the decimal point in the quotient. That's it. So this is root 51.84 is 7.2. Now let us move on to the next bit, that is third one. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following number. That means the given number is not a perfect square and you should subtract some number from this number so that you should get a perfect square. First, by division method, we will find out what is the remainder here. 1989, mark 90 and 89 here. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. We cannot take 25, so go for 4 4s are 16. This is 3. 0. Bring this 89 down and this 4 you add here, this will be 8. So any number you multiply here, you should get the number which is less than 389, because you will not get 389 exactly, because this is not a perfect square, already we know as per the question. So take any number if you want to multiply. Here 81 into 1. 82 into 2. One's number should be same with the number which are multiplied. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 83 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. 84 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 30. So this is 389, this is 336. Let me check one more. 85 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 40. 425 you cannot take 336. So 84 and 4. This is 336. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 5, 3 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. So what is remainder here? Remainder is 53. So according to the question, find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers. So in this number you subtract 1989 minus remainder. Remainder is 50. This is divided 1989 subtract 1989 minus remainder. If you subtract here, 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3, 9, 3. This is 1936. And its root is 44, the quotient, because when you divide this number with the given number, that is 44 is the quotient. Whatever the quotient is there, if you divide it exactly, then only the remainder comes. That means the remainder, if you add to the new formed number, you will get the old number. Am I right? So this number's remainder, if you take out, you will get a new number. So this remainder, if you remove, whatever number you are going to get, that will be the perfect square, and it is square of the quotient. So this is 44. Root of 1936 is 44. What we are going to subtract here? 50. Therefore, least number to be subtracted is equal to 53 and square 1936. Its square is 40. Square root is 44. So let me repeat this. As per the given format here, 1989, you divide with the square root division method, you get a remainder, that is 53. And this 53 should be subtracted in the given number, because this is not a perfect square. Once you subtract the remainder, you will get the perfect square, because here they are asking us to subtract. What is the least number which must be subtracted? So this is the least number. If you subtract, you will get a number which will be a perfect square, because this is the square root division method. And whatever quotient you get here, that will be the root of this, the newly formed number, that is 1936. Its root is 44. Now let us move on to the next bit, that is find the least number which must be added to each of the following number. Here we have learned the subtracted method, and here we will do addition. That is same again, 1750. You go with the multiples, 2 digits you should put a bar. 4 4s are 16. 1 remains. Take this 50, 150. If you add here 4, you get 8. So already we have 81 table here. 81 ones are 81. 82 twos are 164. You cannot go. So take 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 eights are 8. If you subtract here, this will be 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 4. You cannot. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 69 is remaining. But here, because they have asked this addition, you cannot take remainder. Remainder is of no use here. Keep as it is. Let us think about quotient. So 1750 is a number which is not a perfect square. And what should be added to this number to make it a perfect square? So the number which you should add, you cannot add remainder, because you don't know if you add remainder you will get a perfect square. Of course you will not get. But here 1750 is the number. Yes. So given number is equal to 1750. This is given number. Yes. Then quotient is 41. So whatever, if 41 is the square of this, root of this 1750, because this is not a perfect square, 41 square will be less than 1750, because already you have a remainder. So 1. That means 41 plus 1 is 42. 42. Why? Because quotient square is not this number. It is less than this number. So, one number if you more you take 42, its square is 42 into 42. You multiply and check. This will be 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Plus 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. This will be 4, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 1 plus 6 7 plus 1, 1764. 1764. Now subtract the given number 1750 from this. Subtract 764 minus 1750. You will get 14. You will get 14. So what should be added to this number? The given number 14 should be added to make it a perfect square, because 42 square is 1764. We know that. So 1764, if you subtract it from, if you subtract the given number 1750 in this new number, you will get 14. Therefore, 14 must be added. Must be added to what? To question the given number, that is 1750, to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. I will repeat here. First take the number, square root division. Once you perform, you get the remainder. Nothing to do with the remainder. Check the quotient. Given number is 1750. Quotient is 41. Because already we have divided and got a remainder. 41 square will be less than 1750. So let us take quotient plus 1. That is 41 plus 1 is 42. 42 square is 1764. 1764 is more than 1050. So subtract it. Whatever the result comes, 14, that must be added to 1750 to make it a perfect square, because the new number formed is already a perfect square because we have multiplied it. So therefore we can say that what in the question it is given. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following number. What must be added? 14 must be added to 1750. That is the given number, to make it a perfect square. So this ends the concept of square and square roots here, and in our next video we will move on